the hamster going?
I got you now.
Yeah.
Let's see what makes you work. Let's see what makes you tick. Hey, Belle. Yes. Lay him down on the floor again. Lay him down. She almost knows how to turn him off. Look, she'll stop up. She got stopped.
Bella, lay down Hammy.
Lay him down.
See if he wants to run around.
Put him down. There he goes. Two little Hemmys on the floor now.
Yeah. Oh.
Catch him, Bill. Where's this furry friend going at all? I can't even catch him. Look.
Where's he going, Bella? Is there any rhyme or reason?
Catch him. Oops. Now
There
I got
you
Now I
go.
got you. Oh, Heather gets such a kick out of this.
No.
Oops. He came over to you, Bill. He came over to you.
Came over to say hello.
Too many ball again. Let's see what happens.